This phantom wallet shows $4.5 million, all made from deving my own meme coins. No hype, no guesswork, just a system that works. Stick around, I'll walk you through exactly how I pulled all of this money off. Now, I used to waste hours every single day chasing trending coins, thinking I found the perfect entry. But every single time, bro, I got completely dumped on and drained out of my money. That's when I realized the ones actually winning are not buying the coins, they are not the buyers, but they're actually the launchers. Because when you launch your own coins, you have nothing to lose, you are the creator of your own project. But if you keep trading like most people, you can potentially lose everything you fucking have. And right now, bro, Bitcoin is at the all-time high and Solana is fucking pumping. Guys, look. Just look at the chart. It's at $231. It's absolutely insane, bro. It's just gonna go higher and higher. Right now is the perfect moment to start deving your own coins. That's exactly why I'm making this video, because you have to make some money. Now, this video is for educational purposes only. Please do not replicate what I do. I am not a financial advisor and nothing here should be seen as financial advice. Obviously, cap! Now, a lot of people in the meme coin community go to Pump.Fun to dev meme coins. But bro, the truth is, Pump.Fun is overcrowded. Thousands of tokens flood the site every single day, and most disappear before anyone even notices it. And since you don't control your own liquidity, you cannot even manage your own project. That's why I use Create Tokens.io nowadays. On this website, your token launches straight to Raydium, instantly graduated and live for buyers immediately. You have full control, full visibility, and way better upside if you launch coins on CreateTokens.io, and that's exactly why 1% of meme coin devs launch coins on this site. But anyways, with CreateTokens.io, you've got two simple ways to launch. Option 1 is obviously to create from scratch. So go on X, right, which is the default website to find narratives, and look and pick for a trending meme or narrative. For example, Charlie Kirk, he recently got shot. That is a insanely good narrative. I'm sure thousands of different devs launched a coin around him and made thousands of dollars. Even the main guy who launched the first coin out of his death maybe made a couple $1,000,000 at most, right? Now you could make a narrative on literally anything. Trump, Bradley Martin fighting someone. Like, bro, there's so many different ways. Then come back to CreateTokens.io, give your token a name and the ticker symbol, and upload the quick 128 by 128 logo. Click next, confirm, quick and easy. But option 2 though, that's my favorite one and the most profitable, the copy trending coins tab on the website. These are coins already trending on Pump.Fun with hype and buyers chasing them. You just copy them here, launch them directly to Raydium, and you'll get instant buyers and much more profit potential right from the start. Bro, like if you launch and copy a coin here, the narratives are all good. So you can see a coin that could pump like this one right here, you know, like it's really fucking easy. Okay, enough waiting around. Let's actually launch a coin right now and put it live on chain. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website, then refresh list, and let's look for a coin to copy. It could be like anything. Right now, Charlie is trending, so I'm gonna copy the Charlie Talk coin. It has a last buy 11 seconds ago and a $30,000 market cap. So, crit coin. Then ignore the warning, it's completely normal, and just go through it. So proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created, you just gotta be patient. And then, boom. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's simple. Adding liquidity is what makes your token tradable instantly on Raydium. The first step is the amount token A. Just put 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool for the public. You are keeping 10% in your dev wallet. For the amount token B, this is just your starter buy. You are basically the first ever investor in your own project. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and do not worry, you'll get it back later when you eventually remove the liquidity. Then what else? Oh yeah, I'm going to put 0.35 Solana, which is a bit above minimum. Then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Charlie coin is now live. Our PNL is right here, all the tokens are right here. And if you click on refresh for a second time, now I'm up $240 because Solana is fucking high right now, so it's easy to make money. Anyways, click on view on Photon to see the chart. It should load. Now let me go on full screen. We're up already 1.4k. We're up a couple $100 already. What the fuck? It's exploding! What the fuck? Yo! Okay, nah, we just got dumped on. Anyways, bro, let's go. Come on, $20, $40, not bad. Bro, we're getting dumped on, bro. Oh my god, bro. Do not worry though, because more and more people are gonna start seeing the coin. It's just gonna go back up because it's just the beginning. Just let the coin marinate. The fucking narrative is insanely good, so it should be really lucrative. You see, okay, we just broke all-time high. Not bad. Now right now the chart might look funky, but after a couple minutes it's just gonna explode and we're gonna be up generational wealth. Come on. $30, $50, not bad. Okay. $80. Come on, $35. That's good. Yo, it's so fucking volatile. You guys can see, bro, that's fucking insane. 1.5k in market cap, 1.2k in liquidity. Things are looking good. Solana is fucking high. We're gonna make generational wealth. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. I'm gonna be right back when the time is right. Okay guys, I am back. I am at a 3.3k market cap. It's so fucking bullish. It went up, a bit down, now it's going even higher. The volume is insane, the transactions are insane. We're still getting buys left and right, $50. Okay, now to make some money, come back to create tokens.io, then click on the refresh button. And now we're up $1.9 thousand because yo, it's actually fucking insane. It's actually a money glitch. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money, and then click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you make money from deving meme coins. If I open my Phantom White for 100% proof, boom, $1.9 thousand. It's all fucking legit. As you guys can see, it is legit.